Good morning. Calling to order the Board of Health meeting for the town of Shrewsbury. Today is August 20th, Wednesday. The time is 8 o'clock. We'll call the meeting to order. It's first my pleasure and an honor to introduce the new staff of the Board of Health for the town of Shrewsbury. So I'll turn to Ms. Annette Garcia, our Regional Director for our new Public Health Alliance of the three towns, and ask her to introduce herself and the rest of her team. Ms. Garcia, welcome.
Great. Thank you so much, Dr. Abraham. My name is Annette Garcia. I'm the new Regional Health Director who started here last Monday. I come with just under 7 years of experience in local public health, working anywhere from supporting programs and clinics to doing inspections and then managing staff and departments. So I'm excited to be here and start this new initiative to bring public health more local to Shrewsbury here. We have Mackenzie Faulkner. She's our environmental health specialist. She's been called out on inspections today. So she has hit the ground running, conducting inspections for Shrewsbury and our other member communities. She comes with about 4 years of an inspectional experience, so she's very knowledgeable and excited to get started. And then I'll hand it over to Bridget Hurley, our public health nurse.
Thank you. I'm Bridget Hurley. I've been a nurse for about 15 years now, with experience working in community health centers at Family Health Center, St. Vincent Hospital. I have my master's in public health nursing and have been doing the public health realm for about 5 years now.
Right. Well, welcome. We are so excited and happy to have you on the team, and so look forward to some wonderful work together as a group.
Thank you.
So happy to have you all on board. With that, our next agenda item is the appointing of the Memorandum of Understanding to appoint the Massachusetts Health Officers Association as a tobacco agent. Ms. Garcia, do you want to comment?
Yeah, definitely. And I think we have Sarah McLaughlin on the call as well who can speak to it. But previously, the city of Worcester was providing tobacco compliance services for the town of Shrewsbury. Now that that has ended, we were looking to partner with the Massachusetts Health Officer Association to bring back tobacco compliance checks. So I can hand it over to Sarah if you had any comments you wanted to make about this program and how you're working with the town of Shrewsbury.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Sarah McColgan. I'm the director of the Tobacco Control Program for the Massachusetts Health Officers Association. And the grant that we have from the Department of Public Health allows us to work with local boards of health that are not part of regionally funded DPH tobacco control programs. And the work that we do is we've got numerous trainings available to your staff. They're all free and cover a wide variety of tobacco topics, from working to revise your regulations to how to do a store inspection, how to do a compliance check. And then beyond that, we have direct services, which include doing retail store inspections and underage compliance checks, and also part of a training mechanism incorporated in them is the opportunity for your staff to do a ride along. The goal of this whole grant is to increase your department's capability and capacity to conduct your own tobacco control. So it's great to work with a collaborative group. It's much easier, I think, for folks to work together and do this as a group, as opposed to standalone communities that might not have the resources as far as staffing and budget resources and things to do it. So I think that's it in a nutshell. I'm happy to answer any questions the board might have.
Okay, great. Thank you very much, Ms. Rosaccio. Ms. Walker, any questions?
I don't have any questions.
Okay. Ms. Walker, any questions?
No questions from me either. Thank you, Sarah, for that.
Great. We'll entertain a
explanation.
motion to accept the proposal as stated, where the Massachusetts Health Officers Association will become a tobacco agent. Ms. Rosacci?
Yep, I'll make a motion.
Ms. Walker?
I'll second that motion.
Thank you. All in favor, Ms. Rosacci?
Aye.
Ms. Walker?
Aye.
Abraham votes aye. The motion is unanimously carried. Thank you. We'd also like to appoint Ms. Annette Garcia and Ms. Mackenzie Faulkner as our two representatives for as agents of the Board of Health of Shrewsbury. So I'll entertain a motion from the board. Ms. Rosacci?
Yep, I'll make a motion.
Ms. Walker?
Second that motion.
All right. All in favor, Ms. Rosacci?
Aye.
Ms. Walker?
Aye.
Abraham votes aye. The motion is unanimously carried. Thank you. Our next agenda item is reviewing the town's public health emergency preparedness program and to designate a representative, which in this situation will be Ms. Garcia as our Director of Public Health. Ms. Garcia, any comments?
No, I think this is something that, again, was previously held within the city of Worcester. And so with this new collaborative, bringing it back locally, the Public Health Emergency Preparedness Grant supports a lot of public health emergency preparedness initiatives and work here. So as the representative, I'll be sitting on their monthly meetings and voting on behalf of the town of Shrewsbury and the health department.
Great, thank you. I'll entertain a motion. Ms. Rosacci?
Yep, I'll make a motion.
Ms. Walker?
Second that motion.
Thank you. All in favor, Ms. Rosacci?
Aye.
Ms. Walker?
Aye.
Abraham votes aye. The motion is unanimously carried. With that, we'll move on to review the minutes of the public health meeting that we had on July 23rd. Recall that preceded the Board of Health meeting. If there are no amendment to the minutes, I'll entertain a motion to accept them as written.
Yep, I'll make a motion.
Okay, Ms. Rosacci makes the motion. Ms. Walker?
Second.
Thank you. All in favor, Ms. Rosacci?
Aye.
Ms. Walker?
Aye.
Abraham votes aye. The minutes are unanimously approved. We also have minutes of the Board of Health meeting, which followed the public hearing on July 23rd. If there are no amendment to the minutes, I'll entertain a motion to accept them as written.
Yep, make a motion.
Ms. Rosacci makes the motion. Ms. Walker?
I will second that.
Thank you. All in favor, Ms. Rosacci?
Aye.
Ms. Walker?
Aye.
Abraham votes aye. The minutes are unanimously approved. And with that, we'll turn to our new director to ask if you have any specific updates or anything that you might want to discuss.
I don't have any big updates right now, but I just wanted to get this on the agenda as a general monthly hold for any updates we have. In the coming months, we'll be working on establishing our intermunicipal agreement for the Public Health Excellence Grant between Shrewsbury, Grafton, and West Boylston. So we'll certainly have updates on what that means for public health services here in Shrewsbury and any next steps that we have for that program. I know that each month previously you've been getting the environmental health inspection data from Carrie. So she put that together and, it shows Mackenzie's really hit the ground running. She's been here 2.5 weeks and has done a really impressive number of inspections. So we're happy to have her on board and continuing to provide the same level of service that you were previously receiving from Worcester. So I know we all look forward to continuing this initiative and really building out our services to the community.
Thank you so much. Questions from the board for Ms. Garcia, either on her report or on the environmental health data that was provided?
No, I don't have any questions. I agree. That's
Great.
pretty impressive. That
Yes.
many inspections in a short period of time.
I echo that. Yes, Ms. Walker, any questions?
No questions, just welcome. We're happy to have you.
Excellent, thank you. And with that, we will review our meeting schedule. I believe our next meeting, Ms. Tuckwell, is
September 24th, 8
September-
a.m. in this-
September the 24th at 8 a.m. It's a Wednesday. Okay, and I think it's a mutually agreeable date for
Yes.
all the three board members, so thank you very much. All right, is there any further agenda items that anybody wants to bring up? All right,
Nope, I don't have anything.
Hearing none, then I'll entertain a motion to adjourn the meeting.
Yep, I'll make a motion to adjourn.
Thank you, Ms. Walker.
I'll second that motion.
Great, all in favor, Ms. Rosacci,
Aye.
Ms. Walker,
Aye.
Abraham votes aye, the meeting is adjourned.
Thank you.